Hi Stampers, welcome to Watch It Weekly Wednesday. I'm Jill Olsen and I'm going to show you this really cool kit. This is what you call a You Can Make It kit. They have this code right up here in our catalog. All these things are included to make these cards I'm showing you. So let me show you what you actually get in that whole kit and some ideas. So these are the cards and envelopes that you get with the kit. And they're really nice. They've got the red on the one side. Actually, it's the Poppy Parade, and it's white on the inside, and the envelopes to coordinate with it. You get the Stampin' Dimensionals, enamel shapes, the Santa's Workshop Memories and More card pack, which is right here. It comes with all these cards, an assortment of the 2 different sizes. You get this garden green twine, the Santa bags right here. They're just plain, but I've already decorated them up for you. So during the month of September, if you order the You Can Make It, the Santa's Workshop cards, the whole kit, you get the Take Your Pick tool free from me because I'm celebrating my 30th year anniversary with Stampin' Up. So there is a host code right here for you to use when you make that order. So I'm going to show you how easy this set is, or this kit is, to put together. So I'm going to take one of the bigger cards, and the size is bigger than most of the cards that we stamp with. The size is a 4x6 size. So I'm going to go ahead and take this right here. You have 2 sides to choose from, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the trees on this one, and I'm just going to use my adhesive. These cards already have the edge all the way around them, so you don't have to cut them down or anything. It's perfect to just put it right on there. And remember, you get the dimensionals in the kit, so I'm going to put this on with the dimensionals. Okay, so I'm going to pop that up. I love how the colors all coordinate together with the cool twine and stuff. Okay, now I want a little saying on here. So this right here is one of the pieces of the cards that you get, and I just want to use the Merry Christmas. So there's Merry Christmas on this all over the place, so I'm just going to use my scissors and actually just cut out the Merry Christmas. And you'll notice that I've done that on a lot of the samples that I've done. So it's such a cute way that they've done it with the 2 different tones of the greens and the Poppy Parade. So I'm going to go ahead and put the Merry Christmas on there. Okay, I'll pop that up again. I love dimensionals. If you don't already know that from watching my videos, I love dimensionals. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use this Merry Christmas just right over here. Okay, then I'm going to use the Take Your Pick tool, and I'm going to go ahead and use some dots over here, these enamel dots, and I'm going to go ahead and put a red one here and a maybe smaller red one here. Then you could do a green one if you want, or just another red one. So these are great. It's got a pointy end on one side, a spatula on the other, and then it also has an adhesive right here to pick up your sequins, and it also has a stylist, 2-sided stylus that comes with it. So I've already used some of these enamel shapes on some of my other cards, but then I can go ahead and decide, oh, if I want to go ahead and use make a little bow here to put on this. I'm just kind of doing this off the cuff. I haven't really planned this one because I've got all the other ones planned. I'm just going to stick this on here for a minute with this adhesive. You'll get a PDF from us also if you order this kit, and we have a lot of ideas to go ahead and use. Okay, so you've got that really cute card and it's already ready to go. You can write in it. Let me show you a few of the cards. I do have a lot more. You'll get that with the PDF, but here are some that we've already done. These are some of the cards. A lot of them have glitter on them. This one has glitter, the ho ho ho, and I love this one too, that background. Here's some of the smaller size ones. I use the enamel shapes on these and pop some of the things up. They are so much fun, and you get these really cool little stickers with it, and I haven't even used all of them. You can even make an advent calendar right here with these. You can do it that way too. So I love all the options that you get with the Memories and More card packets. Now here's some of the bags. This one right here, we did like a gift card holder to go inside of the bag. So these were all pieces of the cards we used. Hope you've enjoyed this video, the Santa's Workshop Memories and More card pack. Remember, in order to get the Take Your Pick for free, it's a $10 value, you order this from us with the host code. Hope you've enjoyed our video of Watch It Weekly Wednesday. See you next time.